guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda 2.3 engine guys. This is a 2.3 turbo engine. So if you have a CX-7 or Mazdaspeed 3, this one will be the video for you guys. Now we'll show you guys how to remove and replace your alternator. We have an engine out of the car so we can demonstrate a little bit better, and we will explain what needs to be done in the car, because otherwise it's impossible for us to show you guys. We have more than 200 videos on this car, this engine, and every vehicle we get in the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. Please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So this is the CX-7 that we have here at the shop guys, and we have a low mileage engine that will go in this one. This one was overheated, and let me show you now on the car, okay, where that alternator is located. Towards the back side guys, okay. This is your alternator. So practically everything is doable from the back side, okay, from here, but it will be impossible for me to show you every little detail. So what we will do guys, okay, this is the engine right here. Same engine from the same vehicle. This is your alternator, that's what we just showed there. First we need to release the belt guys. Okay, this is your tensioner, 14mm socket. We need to go clockwise, okay, and pull the belt out. Perfect. And your alternator guys, it's ready to go. Now how you get to the tensioner, let me explain on the car now. Okay, here through the right wheel guys, okay, you will have this engine cover on the side like that. You have one, okay, let me show you, 1, 2, 3, 4 clips that you need to remove. Okay, actually 4, yes, right there. And you will get to the serpentine belt. Okay, and this right here is your tensioner. Okay, you can see like that. Now, once we do that guys, okay, you have to have your car battery disconnected. Remove your car battery, because if you touch the alternator, positive wire, you can catch your car on fire. So be very careful now guys. So we need a 10mm socket, okay, and we need to remove one nut holding that cooler pipe here. Okay, you can see almost coming out. Perfect. This one is actually broken. Somebody worked on it, didn't put it correctly. That's why I prefer to do the job on our vehicles, and we decided to teach you guys so you know what you did and you know what you broke on your vehicle, so you don't cause any damage guys. Here you either disconnect it from the cable, somebody cut that zip tie. Okay, that's a clip that you can disconnect. In our case, it's gonna come loose in 2 pieces because, as I said, it is broken guys, unfortunately. You can see that's supposed to be 1 piece, but it's not. Now this is your alternator. What do we need to do now here guys? This gap will need to be open. That's where the charging wire is. This is a big 12-volt wire. Okay, we'll need to remove it. This one is with a 13mm socket, so let me grab one quick. Or 12 maybe, yeah, maybe 12. Mazda guys, okay, they like to use 10, 12 and 14 for some reason. Okay, another 13. And when I need the 12, okay, it will be the last one that I'll find. Okay, right there, 12. 10, 12 and 14. Then 17. Those are the sockets that Mazda likes to use. And I told you guys you have to disconnect your car battery, because if you don't, that positive wire, if the battery is connected and you touch it anywhere on metal, you can catch your car on fire, you can blow your ECU, engine computer, you can melt wiring harness, it will be a big mess. Now this is the wire that detects the voltage, and this is the one that tells the car if it's charging or not. Press in on that tooth and pull out. It will be stuck a little bit guys. Okay, and it stuck really big time. So okay, came out guys. Okay, this is the clip right here. Perfect. Now, what do we guys need to do? Now right here it's supposed to have one bolt, okay, for that mount, that one nut, excuse me. Somebody didn't install it all the way, you can see. Now the two bolts, whoever worked on that engine, super low miles engine, all the grease that you see is from a bad CV axle. That sprayed grease on the engine, but otherwise it's a low miles engine. But somebody put a new timing chain, and as a result, guys, what happened? Okay, they didn't even get the alternator tight all the way. Okay, so eventually they did come loose. Just really tight, guys. Okay, one bolt is out. Then we just have one more after that. Perfect. And now what do we have, guys? The one on top. Hold it because your alternator will drop. Okay, you want to prevent that. So hold it with your hand when you remove the last bolt. And this is, guys, the alternator out of the way. So that's how you guys remove it. Okay, we wanted to show you on this engine so you can see all that. You can find in the description of the video below, guys. We'll share, okay, where we buy our parts from, part numbers and all that stuff, so you can see if you need to replace it. You can buy one at the affordable price. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.